Hey family, welcome to yet another edition of the Opolotivasti Solutions. It's always nice meeting you, and to the new viewers, you are welcome to this channel. Feel free to support by subscribing to this channel. And it's this video we're going to be looking at replacing exchange roller kits for this CANON scanner, that is the DR M140 scanner. And without further ado, let's start right away. And this is the new exchange roller kit that we would like to replace with the old. So we need to first unwrap it. It's just new. So this is how it looks. These are the new kits. They go just up here. There's this upper one and then the lower one. So this is the upper one, and then this other one is the lower one. The smaller one is the lower one. So starting right away, since it's closed, start by opening this cover. So this cover is where you press at this button, then you flip the cover to this angle. So at this point, this is where you have the lock. So here you just open this lock slightly and gently. Once it's flipped this side, then you just push it this side to remove the old exchange roller kit. So this is the upper one, which we need to replace with this old new one. So we get rid of the old one. Just put it aside, and then for the old new one, you flip it inside gently. Just flip it inside gently, and then push this lock back. Push it back, then slide it downwards to lock, so that it's a little firm. Then after that, we open also the downer one, the downer exchange roller kit. This is how it appears. So we need to remove the downer one, but before doing that, there is this lock here, which you need to just press to the other side and then lift it up, or rather slide it up gently to open that cover, and we shall be having that angle. So here we just remove this from this other angle, then remove the kit. This is the kit. Put it aside, then get the new one. This is the new one. Press it back gently, following this direction. Start with, and then lock it, then cover the lock and press gently. Once that is done, you just have to close it. So that is how you can change the roller kit, the exchange roller kit for this CANON DR M140 scanner. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much. See you soon. Cheers.